All right, we're live streaming. Hi, Gary. Hi, Gary Lim. Lovely to have you. And hello, welcome everyone. We're going to look at some simple Forex setups. This week, I'm going to share my screen and look at 10 currency pairs on the 4-hour time frame. If you have any questions, please pop them into the chat box and I will check during the show. So let me start sharing. All right, the first currency pair I want to have a look at is Aussie USD. So Aussie USD, I'm looking for short, still looking for short on that one. So in terms of where we are, at the moment, what I see is that channel. So I'm looking to short from the top of the channel. On the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a reversal around this area. And if I see a reversal, then I will be entering a short position. So let's see, either today or tomorrow, especially if today goes sideways, and we have a few more bars going sideways, and then we have a reversal, then that would be a good entry for a short. All right, the next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBPUSD. And GBPUSD, I'm also looking for a short. We're still within that channel going downwards. With this one, there is not quite sort of enough room. This big candle would have been a possible entry point, but I thought it was quite big. So if the price reverses into that zone here, into the entry zone area, then I would be looking for a short just to give us a bit more room, just in case it does not go further down. So still looking for short up to about there on this one. But if it keeps going down, then yeah, that's fine. We would have missed that. No problem. We shall look for something else. So looking at GBPJPY, on this one, I'm also looking at a short. So in terms of where we're at, and just at the top there, so I'm looking for the price to potentially go a bit further up or around that level, looking for a reversal for a short. So it could be around that area now or a bit further at the top of the channel, or even further at the top of that line. I'm not really sure how far it's going to go, so we just need to wait and look for the potential reversals around those areas. All right, the next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. And EURJPY, I'm also looking for a short. So in terms of where we are at, just at the top there, had a bit of a run down already. So now it's still within that channel. So I'm still looking for short around there, the top of the channel. And also, I guess, in line with these peaks here and the trough there. So any sign of reversal around here next day or so, that would be great. So yeah, it might want to go sideways for a bit. If it does, that would be great. And then looking for a short, that would be a good setup. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURUSD. And EURUSD, I'm also looking for a short. So where are we at? we're at the bottom of the channel there. There's a bit of a ranging price, but overall for the potential, I'm still looking for short. So on the 4-hourly, just see what happens. Maybe again, sideways movement first, and then looking for a reversal. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. So USDJPY has been going sideways for a bit, but I'm definitely looking for a short. So I'm still waiting for a good setup there. Something that's quite close to the horizontal would be perfect, but anything along this sort of the tops is good as well. So looking for short on this one. Next currency pair is Euro AUD. So on this one, I'm looking for long. Based on that, we've had a number of candles already close above that 1.613 horizontal. So I'm thinking it might now be going upwards. So let's just see what we have in terms of the price action. The daily doesn't look favorable for a long, so we might need to just wait for the price to maybe pop up, and then come back and retest again, or maybe just depends if there is a really strong price action around this area. That would be good too. So looking for long on this one. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USDCAD. So USDCAD, I'm looking for long. So on the daily, we're just above that, what was the support. So I'm looking for the retest to see if that will now become the resistance. Sorry, wrong way around. That was a resistance, and now looking for a retest to see if it will be a support. So price action on daily is looking good. So just looking for any other sideways movement and then a reversal in the upward direction, and would be looking for long on USDCAD. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. So EURGBP, looking for long. So this one, I'm treating that a little bit like the ranging market. So really just looking for long of the bottom support level. At the moment, it had that first one. So any pullback, I'm looking for some pullback first. If there is any pullback, and then or sideways movement, and then possibly looking for a long at that point. So looking for long on EURGBP. And the last one is GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, I'm looking for short. This one is also ranging, so just looking to trade at the top of that resistance down to the support, and then possibly back up from the support to the top. On the daily, we had some movement down. So now looking at the price to go a little bit further up. I would like the reversal, something like that at the top, near the horizontal line, or at least at the top of these peaks. That would be great. So looking for short on GBPCAD. All right, any questions? Pop them in the chat box if you have anything for me. Otherwise, if you want to see the trades that I'll be taking this week, then join the Simple Forex Setup Inner Circle on the Telegram group. The link is in the chat box. And I also post any trade updates in terms of trade management there as well. So if there is no questions, thank you very much for today. And I look forward to seeing you again next week, Wednesday, 1 p.m. Singapore time. Thank you. See you. Bye.